$75,000. That is the kind of money that a successful parts model can make in a year, and it's very surprising considering the size and the demand of the industry itself. But there are conditions though that come with such an amount, which should be covered shortly. So, how do parts models get paid? Now, parts models get paid per contract. And what do I mean by that? If you get booked for a day, you're offered a contract that states the number of hours you work and the money you earn and so forth. But if you're a freelance parts model, that will not apply to you. All the money goes to you, but you must be able to negotiate a good deal because you don't have an agent to negotiate for you. Now let's find out how much do parts models actually earn. Now according to Forbes, the highest paid hand model can earn up to $75,000 a year or more, provided that they did ad campaigns with premium brands like Chanel, Rolex, Alexander McQueen and so forth. But on average, they can earn between $2,000 to $5,000 a day for TV and print ad campaigns. And you don't have to worry about COVID-19 because the industry has placed measures to ensure hand models get work while taking precautions. But just like I said in my previous video about parts modeling, parts models don't work permanently like traditional fashion models. Most of them work as parts models to earn a side income, which is what I would advise you to do if you really have attractive hands and feet. In the following week, I'll upload a video where I'll give you tips on parts modeling, and if you can't wait for that, please like this video. And for those of you who are new to parts modeling, there are 2 other videos that you can watch on the end screen after this video. I really hope you got value from watching this video. I'm Chuck, and thank you for your time.